It is 11:47 p.m. A buyer just called about that 3 BHK listing you posted this morning. Your phone rings twice, goes to voicemail. They hang up. Google, similar property near me. Call the first agent who answers. That agent has booked a site visit for tomorrow morning. You wake up at 7 a.m., see the missed call back at 9. The buyer says, "Oh, I already scheduled something with another agent." You just lost a potential 45,000 rupee commission. In your sleep. I am Dheeraj Mehta, founder of Archiz Solutions. Over the last 12 years, while working with real estate agencies across India, Dubai, and California, and building automation systems for healthcare, BFSI, logistics, and education. My team and I have tracked what actually happens to property inquiries once they come in. Let me show you what actually happens in a typical real estate business. Scenario 1, Saturday 10 a.m. Buyer sees your property ad, calls immediately because they're free, motivated, and comparing 3 to 4 properties today. You're at a site visit, can't pick up. They leave no voicemail. They move to the next listing. By the time you call back Monday morning, they've already shortlisted 2 other properties and scheduled visits. Scenario 2, Tuesday 9 p.m. A working professional is comparing properties after dinner. They have questions about your listing, EMI options, possession timeline, parking availability. They call. No answer. They move to the next agent. That agent picks up, answers WRS questions, sends a video walkthrough, books a visit for Thursday. You lost. Not because your property was bad, because you weren't available when the buyer was ready. The real cost. Let's do the math. If you get 50 inquiries a month, and 67% happen outside business hours, that's 33 calls you're probably missing. If your conversion rate is 10%, you're losing 3 to 4 potential deals every month. At an average commission of 45,000 rupee per deal, that's 1 rupee and 35 paise to 1.8 lakhs rupees in lost monthly revenue. Annually, over 16 lakhs rupees. Just from timing. So why don't agencies just hire more people to cover after hours? 3 reasons. 1. Cost doesn't make sense. Hiring someone for evening per weekend shifts means doubling your team. That's 25,000 to 35,000 rupees per person per month, plus training, plus infrastructure. For many agencies, that's more than the revenue those extra calls would generate. 2. Quality inconsistency. Night shift staff often aren't your best closers. They're there to just answer calls. They don't have the same property knowledge, urgency, or follow-up discipline. So you get call coverage, but not conversion. 3. It still doesn't solve 24/7 even with extra staff. You're not truly 24/7. People take breaks. They get sick. Holidays. There are always gaps. The traditional solution of hire more people doesn't actually solve the core problem. Being available every time a buyer is ready to engage at the exact moment of interest. And that's where AI voice agents change everything. So what's the actual solution here? An AI voice agent is a conversational system that answers your business calls, understands what buyers are asking, accesses your property information, and can take real action like booking site visits or sending property details. It's not a robotic IVR menu. It's not press 1 for sales, press 2 for support. It's an actual conversation that sounds and feels human. And it works 24/7 without breaks, holidays, or sick days. Let me walk you through exactly how this works in a real estate business, not theory, actual deployment. Step 1. The setup. You connect the AI voice agent to your business phone number. There are different ways to do this. All calls go to the AI agent first. AI picks up if you don't answer within 3 to 4 rings. AI only handles calls during specific hours, like 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. Then you integrate it with your property database, your listings with all the details. Price, location, possession date, amenities, parking, everything. You also connect it to your calendar system, Google Calendar, Outlook, or your CRM's calendar. This lets the agent book appointments directly into your schedule. Bottom small text. AI answers 24/7 times, book site visits automatically. Professional lighting, sharp focus, natural skin tones, AR 16. 9. Realistic 16:9 YouTube thumbnail. Center. Confident Indian male in his mid-30s, short neat hair, light blue formal shirt, smiling directly at camera. He holds a smartphone showing a glowing site visit booked notification. Large bold highlighted text in center. Never miss a night call again. Subtle blue AI voice wave lines around the phone. Clean dark blue gradient background. Bottom small text. AI answers 24/7 times book site visits automatically. Professional lighting, sharp focus, natural skin tones, AR16:9. Step 2. What happens when a buyer calls? Let's say it's 10:30 p.m. A buyer named Raj calls your number. Traditional setup. Phone rings. Goes to voicemail. Raj hangs up. Moves on. With AI voice agent, the call comes in. AI picks up on the second ring. Instantly. Professionally. AI agent. Warm. Natural human-like voice.
Hi, thank you for calling XYZ. I see you're interested in our 3 BHK apartment. I can help with that. Are you looking for information about pricing, possession timeline, or would you like to schedule a site visit?
What's the price?
The price is 85 lakhs rupees for the 1450 square foot unit. This includes one covered parking slot and the property is RERA registered. Possession is scheduled for March 2027. Would you like to know about home loan options as well?
Yes. Do you have bank types?
Yes, we have partnerships with HDFC, ICICI, SBI, and Axis Bank. Pre-approved loans are available, and our finance team can help you get the best interest rates. I can also schedule a meeting with our loan consultant if that helps. Would you like me to do that?
Not right now. But can I visit the site this Saturday?
I have 2 slots available this Saturday, 11 a.m. or 4 p.m. Which one works better for you?
11 a.m. is perfect.
Great. I've booked Saturday at 11 a.m. for you. You'll receive an SMS confirmation in the next minute with the property address, Google Maps link, and the contact details of Rajesh, our senior property consultant who will meet you there. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Looking forward to seeing you on Saturday. Have a great evening.
Step 3. Behind the scenes, automatically. Your CRM creates a new lead entry. Raj Sharma, interested in Sector 18 3 BHK. Site visit booked for 11 am. Calendar event created in your system with all buyer details. SMS sent to Raj with confirmation, address, Google Maps link, and your consultant's name. Alert notification sent to consultant Rajesh. Site visit booked for Saturday 11 am, Sector 18 unit. Complete call recording saved for quality review. Next morning, you wake up and see site visit booked with qualified lead. All details captured, instead of waking up to a missed call with zero context. Now, what happens if the buyer asks something complex? Let's say Raj asks,
Can I customize the kitchen layout in this apartment?
That's a great question. Customization options depend on the stage of construction and the developer's terms. Let me connect you with a senior consultant who handles all customization requests. I'm sending you their direct number right now, and they'll call you back within 30 minutes. I've also flagged this as a high priority inquiry in our system.
immediately creates a lead entry in your CRM, tags it, customization query, high priority, sends alert to your team. Buyer interested in Sector 18 unit wants kitchen customization, call within 30 minutes. Sends the consultant's number to Raj via SMS. The AI knows its limits. It doesn't guess. It escalates intelligently. This is the key. AI handles what it can and hands off what it can't. Let me show you what you actually see the next morning when you log into your dashboard. You open it up and you see 12 calls handled overnight while you were asleep. 7 site visits booked for this week directly into your calendar. 3 high priority leads flagged for personal follow up. These need your human touch. Complete call recordings and transcripts. You can listen to every conversation. Instead of waking up to 12 missed call notifications with zero information about who called or what they wanted, you wake up to a ready pipeline. Your morning changes from damage control to execution mode. You know exactly who's coming for site visits, who needs follow up calls, and what each buyer is interested in. And if you want to see exactly how a voice agent would work for your specific business, whether you're in India, Dubai, California, or anywhere else in the world, drop the word demo in the comments. I'll send you a personalized walkthrough showing how this would integrate with your current setup, your property types, and your workflow.